Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. And don't forget about my daily live streams on YouTube at 6 p.m. GMT time. So anyways, we have been going down pretty strong on the Aussie dollar, as you can see, but it definitely has not even made an engulfing move to the downside yet. And I'm still looking at this move down as possibly being a crutch into this move up. So if we do get a big reaction at a fib level, especially because we have FOMC news tonight, interest rate news for the dollar, I still think there is a chance that this is just going to keep on going up for a wave three. So definitely continue to be cautious with your shorts, mostly because the dollar index is definitely still in a downtrend. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I would consider this a double top. So this could be a wave A, it could be a wave B, it could be a wave C. It also could be a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three. If it's a wave three, it's just going to continue to blow way past all these fib levels with no big move to the upside. If it really is a wave C, then it potentially on maybe the 15-minute time frame or so will get like a double bottom and a break of structure to the upside at a fib level. And if you do see that at a fib level, I definitely would take it as a long because the trend is your friend, and technically the trend is definitely still down on the dollar. And if the trend continues to go down on the dollar, then you would expect this to continue up. So keep an eye on your fib levels, keep an eye on your structure. Hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.